The other side of the ocean makes me hide my emotions. I don't want it to be over. And when midnight comes to my arms, you're right. Another side of the mirror, I wish that you could be clearer. And when we touch the moment, it feels just unreal, making you so real. So leave me lonely, then you stick around to hold me. Stay a little more, then slowly walk up the door. So leave me lonely, then you stick around to hold me. Stay a little more, then slowly walk up the door. Are you even real? 'Cause feeling's how I feel you. walk out the door. You leave me lonely, better stick around to hold me. Stay a little more than slowly walk out the door. Are you even real? 'Cause feelings don't feel you. Come knocking on my heart. You come and then you go. It's high then it's low. You spin my head around. I need you so. So much different metaphors. I love you in every universe. Are you a blessing or are you a curse? So is it real if you out? Feel like what you out? Lost in space. You exist in another metaverse. To love you in every universe. So is it real if you out? Feel like what you out?